Good afternoon. We continue to review the DFSM series dispensers line produced by the weighing equipment plant. Today we will consider a vibrating type dispenser for single component dispensing of materials into open type bags. Dosing range from 2 to 50 kilograms. The design of the dispenser has a receiving funnel with a mechanical regulator of the height of the product, a support tray receiving vibrations from a vibration drive, an electromagnetic vibrator is used as a drive. The batcher also has a weighing module on 2 load cells, pneumatic bag clamping device and quick release funnel. The batcher is controlled by the VKD001 controller manufactured by the weighing equipment plant. The choice of this dispenser model can be determined by the physical and mechanical properties of the product, as well as the granulometric size. For example, pellets, the size of which reaches 70 mm in length. You can order this equipment on the website of the weighing equipment plant. Link to the website in the description under the video. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.